Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cargo's channel. Welcome back to sunny New York, but don't let it fool you. Temperatures are below freezing line and I am frozen, and so is Slate. And another, we already know that that's because of the cold weather. But today I'm gonna show you the FOXWELL NT301 scanner. And that's because we're gonna go for an inspection. I picked this up for, it was a flash sale on Amazon for $54. It's a little more now because I got it on flash sale, but the link will be in the description just in case you want to see it. If you're here for the scanner, that'll be in a minute, because first I gotta go and send 2 packages of stuff that I shipped on Amazon, and then I gotta get the car to inspection. So right before that, we're gonna use the scanner. We're gonna check the car, see what the scanner is all about. 900 subscribers, big thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. You are almost at the 1,000 mark. I promise that at 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna get a new car, some project or AMG car, whatever it is. I stand behind that, and thank each and everyone for your support. If you're here for the scanner, well, let me just drop these and we'll be right there. Give me 30 seconds, or you can skip forward 30 seconds. I hate the actuator in this door. The one on the passenger side is busted as well, and the one on the driver's side is busted as well. If you guys have the same problem, hit the thumbs up, and maybe in the next few videos I'll just change the actuator. But now, let's drop the packages. Alright. Okay, I shut the car off. I don't know if you can see anything, but I can't see either. So I'm just gonna try find the OBD port by feeling. And I think it's in. It only goes one direction, so you can mess it up. Here is the scanner. Now, first thing I want to do is this button right here checks for emissions, and right after this we're gonna go and see if the car passes inspection, because it's it's due. I have a few days to do it. So let's press it and see what happens. It scans the car. I think this scan time could probably be a bit faster, but it's real time. So yeah, this is the first function we're gonna try. While it's scanning, I'm gonna show you the buttons. It has a read button, erase button, which double up also as arrows to select from the navigation menu. Back button and enter button. Also help, which probably pulls I don't know, we'll try later. And this right here is to turn off and on the scanner if you're plugged in. If you're not plugged in, well, it doesn't have power, it doesn't work with a battery, so it's not going to be on anyway. Right, by the way, it's very nice and bright orange, so you can't really lose it. And it is rubberized material on the sides, so it's nice and grippy, and it's still scanning, so this is real time. That's why I keep talking, and that should be it. Let's go, scanner. Oh, no communication. Well, you know what, maybe I should turn the ignition on. That is stupid on my part. Now ignition is on, and we'll redo the same thing. Blah blah blah. Here is how the lights work, but we're gonna go back by this button and press the I am again. And this should be faster now. I'm also being a bit under the weather. There we go. It actually gave me a yellow warning light, but for the I am readiness. I have 2 DTC codes. The rest is green, and then I have PDDTC code that is also 2. I have no idea what that means, so okay, we'll go back, and then we're gonna go in the scanning thing, to scan the whole OBD. So if the light is green, your car is great and ready to go. If it is yellow, it is still alright, it's passable, but it has some problems. If it's red, well, it's not gonna pass inspection. It asks me to erase previously stored data. Well, yeah, okay. How do you select? Enter? There we go. Erase codes, read codes. We're gonna read codes, or erase codes, live data. We're gonna go back to live data in a little bit, but let's read the codes. Let's read stored codes. Alright, intake manifold runner. Controls the closed bank 1A. I don't know what that is, but for you guys, check on Google. Let's see the other code. P001 B camshaft position timing over retarded. Oh, my bank is retarded. Bank 1 is retarded. Okay, so I have some problems with the car. I'll have to go and do more research, but this is all about this sensor now. According to this, I should be able to pass inspection, and I am looking. Well, let's go back. We can erase codes as well. Exit OBD test. Are you sure? I'm sure. I just wanted to look at the interface a little more. So here is the code lookup, and you can print data if you can connect it with a printer. I don't know, there are arrows here, and about. Well, that's about it. One other cool thing when you get into the OBD reader is this thing has graphs. Let it start reading. We're gonna start the car. I have only 2 hands, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, we started the car. This thing read everything it wanted to read. We're gonna erase previously stored data. This is the only difference between the NT301 and NT201, which I was also looking at, and if the flash sale wasn't happening, I'll have gotten the other one for about $42. I'll link them both below. But another cool thing is this live data. We're gonna get into live data, and it can show you graphs of what your engine is currently doing. You can select stuff. Well, first gotta read a lot of things. All right, fast forward. All right, we're gonna get to view data, and you can watch complete data set, custom data set, or units of measure. I'm gonna go to units of measure, metric. Well, yeah, that was just a selection. Let's see the complete data set. Let's look at what shift long RPMs. Let's look at the RPMs. Here's a beautiful graph. It's right between 706 and 712. We're gonna give it a little beans. 1500. That is actually pretty cool. That is one of the coolest things of this scanner. So it does, it only reads the engine, I believe the transmission modules. It doesn't read any other ones. But yeah, it's a cool toy. Now let's see if what this thing is right, and we can pass inspection with it. But alright, I just pulled up at the place where they're doing New York State inspection, and let's see if the yellow indicator on the FOXWELL scanner means we can pass or not. I'm pretty sure we can. We're only gonna be having troubles only if it's in the red. Alright, I'm waiting patiently because somebody else is having an inspection right now, and I am next online. Alright, we passed the inspection, and yep, everything is fine with the car. It's safe to be driven in New York State. Now I'm gonna go and pack, because as you're watching this video, I will be in Las Vegas. Thank you to, oh, you can't see anything. Thanks to every single one of you guys for watching these videos, putting likes and commenting on them. Also, thank you very much for the 900 subscriber count. As I said earlier, when we reach 1,000 we get a new car. I'm not gonna back down on that. If it's gonna be a family vacation, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find some time. And if you guys want to give me any tips on Las Vegas, or if you want me to check any place for you, and I'll be more than happy to do it. And this is dark again, I can't really see anything, but here I am again. So yeah, shoot me a comment down below and let me know what you want to see in Las Vegas. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until then, you have a lovely afternoon. Bye.